I'm here to give you a breakdown of my top 6 systems that can transform the way your club operates. And stick around till the end because I will share an alternative way to manage everything for free. Today we are diving into the best CRM admin systems specifically tailored for UK-based gymnastics clubs or dance classes or theatre groups or yoga clubs. Whatever club you're running, these tools can help you manage your club more efficiently. Let's jump right in. First up, we have LoveAdmin. It is a powerful tool for clubs needing to automate administrative tasks. One of the standout features is its ability to handle memberships, class registrations, and event sign-ups really efficiently. It's cloud-based, so you can access it from anywhere, offering great flexibility, and the cost can be manageable with a transaction-based fee structure and no separate monthly fees if minimum transaction amounts are met. Plus, it comes with extensive features like email marketing, payment processing, and member communication, making it a comprehensive solution for any club. But it's not all roses. Some users have reported slow customer support, which can be a bit frustrating when you need help quickly. I mean, it's just down the road from me, so I'd probably just go and knock on their door. But you might have a bit more trouble than me, according to some of the reviews. Now, despite that, LoveAdmin is perfect for larger gymnastic clubs and dance schools that need extensive automation and management features. By automating many of these admin tasks, it can save you hours each week, which translate to more time spent improving your classes and less on paperwork. I also love this company. Everyone I've spoken to in this company has just been really lovely and helpful. So it is a big thumbs up from me for this company. Now, next up is Clubify, which was recommended to me in one of our comments. It's fantastic for managing membership, schedules, payment, and communications really effectively. It starts at about £20 a month, making it quite affordable. Now, Clubify is very user-friendly with an easy setup and intuitive interface. It makes it quite a breeze to get started, actually. However, there are some downsides to this one. The customization options can be somewhat limited compared to some of the more advanced systems, and it can lack some in-depth reporting and analytics. But if you're running a small to medium-sized karate club or yoga class in the UK, Clubify might actually be your new best friend. With its straightforward approach, you will save significant time managing member data and payments, allowing you to focus more on your classes. Let's talk about CoursePro. This system is specifically designed for managing courses and classes. So it offers features like online bookings, payments, and progress tracking for students. It is very intuitive and caters well to the needs of structured classes such as gymnastics and dance classes. However, CoursePro can be a bit pricey compared to some of the other options, and the setup process might require a bit more effort. But once it's up and running, it's a fantastic tool for larger clubs that need detailed tracking and reporting on student progress. So it's ideal for gymnastics clubs and dance schools that run multiple courses and need to keep track of student advancements and payments. Next up is Coacha, a user-friendly and affordable system perfect for smaller clubs. Now, Coacha helps you manage memberships, class bookings, and payments effortlessly. It's cloud-based, so you can access it from anywhere, and it comes with useful features like attendance tracking and email notifications. One of the best things about Coacha is its pricing structure, starting at around £25 a month. However, it might lack some of the more advanced features needed by larger clubs. So for smaller yoga classes or maybe karate classes, Coacha can provide a really straightforward and easy to use platform that keeps everything organized without breaking the bank. Classmanager. Now, Classmanager is another really excellent option, especially for dance and performing arts schools. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing class schedules, student enrollments, and payments. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to use. On the downside, Classmanager can be a bit limited in terms of advanced customization options. But if you're running a dance class or a small gymnastics club, it is a great way to keep track of all your administrative tasks in one place, saving you time and effort. MemberMeister! Just love saying it. Now finally, we have MemberMeister, specifically designed for dance schools. It is great for managing student records, class schedules and payments. Now MemberMeister also includes features like automated invoicing and email reminders, which can really help you stay on top of your admin tasks. The cost starts at around £30 a month, which is quite reasonable considering the features that this one offers. However, it may not be the best fit for clubs that need a lot of customization or have very specific requirements. But for, say, dance schools looking for a reliable and easy to use system, MemberMeister is a really solid choice. Now, if these options seem a little bit too pricey, I have got a fantastic free alternative that could be just what you need. Free to get and set up, Google Sheets and Google Forms can actually be really powerful tools when used together. You can create a membership database, manage class registrations, and track payments. For actual payments, you could integrate PayPal, which is widely used and trusted, and they even have card readers now, and I believe they even offered me an actual card last time I went on there. So you can set up registration forms in Google Forms, and responses are automatically saved and organized in Google Sheets. This method allows you to keep track of everything all in one place without spending an absolute fortune. This approach might require a little bit more manual setup and management, but it offers a high level of customization to fit your specific needs. Plus, it is the best price possible. Additionally, you can use tools like Trello for task management and MailChimp for email marketing, both of which offer free plans. For automating email replies and bookings, consider using a tool like Zoho Mail or FreeBusy, which can help you manage communication and scheduling more efficiently. These tools combined can save you money whilst effectively managing your club's administrative tasks. So whether you go full featured CRM system or start with something a little bit more basic like Google Sheets, the key is to find a tool that fits your club's needs and budget. Let me know if you've used any of these systems before or you have one to recommend. If you've got any questions or need any more tips, drop me a comment below. And don't forget to join me over on our Facebook community page for more discussions and marketing tips and tricks. Let's make your club the talk of the town. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Digisparq Media for more digital marketing tips and tricks for your club. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.